Everybody, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on week 50 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. I need an ocean creature, and I have this octopus, which I still have to cut this part out. I accidentally cut off the tip of his little tentacle there. Something written in pencil, I think I'm going to skip and use typewriter text instead. I got my old typewriter out here. Something that emits heat is the fire. I need something that starts with the letter H and a set of numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write heat. Heat and hot. And I'm going to skip over and write hot. And then I'm going to skip over and let's see. Let's move this out of the way for a minute. And I'm going to write a set of numbers. I can be in any order, I guess. But it says a set of numbers, so I'm going to write... I don't have a number 1. Why is there no number 1? That's weird. What's this? Huh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what I'm going to do as my set of numbers. So, I guess maybe that's cheating? I don't know. Is it? I need my ruler, I think, too. Let's put this old typewriter away. And get a ruler out so I can not mess up what I just typed. I actually should have typed it closer down to the bottom, I think. That didn't work out too great. Heat. And we have hot. Those are all words that start with H. And we have numbers. And I'm going to ink around these and figure out where I'm going to put them. And after this, we only have 2 more weeks left. And then we're done with Margarete Miller's collage assignments. They really did stump me sometimes. And challenge me, that's for sure. Alright. So the first thing I want to do is glue down this background, and I'm going to go ahead and just do this, I think. This is my heat. What was it? Something that emits heat. Yeah. Okay. Alright. And now I'm going to have to cut out my little tail here. Or not tail, tentacle. And I'm hoping that I can actually attach this little piece to it. I think it's right there, yep. Alright, let's get that over there and not lose it. Okay. So my next thing is going to be this guy, and I am going to use the glue stick for that. Oh my gosh. I need to be more careful. All these little pieces are going to break off if I'm not more careful. Okay. I really loved this image. I was afraid it was going to be too big, and I'm actually not even sure if I'm putting this on upside down or not, but I think we'll be okay. And then we have this little tiny piece. that's supposed to be right here. Oh boy. I guess I need my tweezer for that. It's just too tiny. And maybe impossible. Who knows? The sun is really coming out now. Whoa. My grandson loves Halloween. He's almost 4. And yesterday he spent the day here. Oh no, that's not right. And he told me he wanted to dress up like a turkey for Thanksgiving. I just saw a flash. I don't know why my camera flashes like that sometimes. So I'm going to put hot right over here. And heat. Maybe right here. And my set of numbers. Down at the bottom. There. Let's see. I've got my ocean creature. I'm skipping something written in pencil in favor of the bonus, which is typewriter text. Something that admits heat is my fire. Something that starts with the letter H is hot and heat. And a set of numbers. So that's it for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time, which I do have one thing ready, and this was a sewing item, and there's a little sewing machine. So I just need to figure out the rest of these prompts, and we'll be ready to roll. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.